Dear students and working accountants, welcome to my Expert Tally Prime YouTube channel. Today, my name is Babu Rao, and today in this video, we are going to discuss about the data security in Tally. So, security, how to secure the data is called. In that, there are two methods for the security. In the first method is called as Tally Vault Password. So, how to provide security with Tally Vault Password for the data that we are going to learn. So, before entering into the topic, so we will what you call a request to you, everyone visiting my channel and my videos, please subscribe to my channel without fail, and also click the bell icon next to my next to the subscribe button and select all. You will get notification for all the videos which I upload in my channel, and also share my channel with others. Okay, now a very important thing is, everyone, please, you watch every video till the end. Don't skip the video in the middle. If you skip the video, you will learn or you will know the topic up to that point only. The balanced topic you will not know and you cannot understand. So it will be like half knowledge. So it is a waste of time, nothing more than that. No use at all. It is only waste of time. So watch every video till the end, and you watch twice or thrice also, you will get very good knowledge. And also, so there will be some examples or problems in the video. So you stop the video and see the problem, and you work out or practice that problem number of times. Then you will get a very good knowledge and expert knowledge in the topic of every video. So that is my request. And after watching the whole video, you please, if you the video is good, you please like the video. If you like the video, YouTube people will share that video to many people, so that many people can visit this video and they can get the knowledge. They will learn about this topic. Okay. Now we will enter into the topic. See here. Now we use the tally. So this here, from today onwards, I am taking all the classes and all the videos I am making with Tally Prime 6. How do you know? So this is Tally Prime 6. Go to F1, click that. So at the end, you will see about. So if you click that, you will understand that is the product information. Product means the Tally product. So Tally Prime release 6.0, the path, everything. So other Tally Prime installation, that is, in addition to this, I have 5.1 also. So other installation is 1, like this. So close this, click this and close. Okay. So here, from in the 6.1, 6.0. So everything work, only some additional features are added. That's all. Everything work is the same. Okay. So in this case, so we use this tally and we are creating many companies. And in every company, we enter the transactions history. In every company, we enter the transactions means we make the entry, means we enter the data. So we have data, we have data in every company, isn't it? We have data in, sorry, Alt F3. Okay. So we have data in every company. So in this case, anyone can open a company. They can watch, they can see the total data, reports, everything they can see. And also they make some changes. They may delete some companies. Whatever they want, they can do. So there is danger for the data. So without loss of this data, we can provide some security for the data. So to avoid others to access our data. So they cannot access our company. Data means data in the company. So in any company, the data they cannot access. For that, we can provide security. This security can be provided in two ways. The first one is Tally Vault Password. Means if you provide and if you set the Tally Vault Password, then any company, if you set the Tally Vault Password, the company name will not be visible. It will be visible like stars. That means it will be what you call the data will be this. It will become stars. One thing I'll tell you. 1 minute. 1 minute. I will tell you one thing that is it is encryption. Sorry, it is called as encryption. So this data will be encrypted. This will be encrypted. Just you see, use the password in Gmail. That password you enter, it will look like stars. Okay, like the name of the company will look only like stars only. That means the company name and data, that is company name is encrypted. So it will be encrypted. This name will not be visible. And also the period, the financial year, the period will not appear at all. The period will not appear. And then company name will appear as stars. Only the number of the company will be applicable. Number of the company will be applicable. So to do that, that means if I see, I can see the number of the company. No period is there. Company name is not there. So I cannot access. So to avoid that, this is done. That is why how to set up the Tally Vault password, only password. How to set up the password. Okay. So in this case, the second one, there is another method. So in this case, in company, in the Tally, if you create anything, creating means set up or create. The password create now, it's also called creation also. If you create anything, if there is error or something, if you want to change, you will be able to change that. Anything which is created, you can change. That means you set up or you created the Tally Vault password. If you want to change that, you can change the password. That is called as alter or change. So you can create or set up the Tally Vault password. You can change the password also. Anything you can do like that. And any company or any ledger in the companies, anything ledger, stock items, or any masters also. You want to change, you want to alter, you can make alteration, and also you want to remove that from the database, delete that. You can delete the company or any ledger in the company or stock item or anything. You can delete. You can delete. Similarly here, Tally Vault password you can create. Or means you can set the Tally password, Tally Vault password. You can alter. That means you can change the Tally password, and you can also remove the Tally Vault password. Some of the people I came across making videos on Telugu people only. Some of the people they say Tally Vault password created, it can be created and it can be changed also. Changed means it can be altered also. But once created, it cannot be deleted. Some people are saying it is not true. Anything in Tally can be created, can be altered, can be deleted. So this Tally Vault password can be created as well as altered as well as removed. So how to do? See here, say if you want to create the set up the Tally Vault password, you can set up in two types. That is, once the new company is created, then itself you can create. Otherwise, all these companies are existing. In the case of existing companies also, you can create, but the method is different. New company, you have to set up in a different way. Existing company, you have to set up the new password in a different way. But once the company is created, these companies are all existing companies. The new company also, after creation, it will become existing company, isn't it? In the case of existing company, how to create new company? You can create at the time of creation of the company. You can set up the Tally Vault password. In the case of an existing company, how to create the Tally Vault password? And after that, so creation is two types. One is at the time of creation, and at the another for the existing company. How to create? Two are different. How to create or set up the Tally Vault password. After that, next is two one, that is alteration or change or deletion or remove. This can be done in one way only. Only there is one method. That means all the companies are existing companies only. Once company is created, then it becomes old company, existing company. So in the case of all will be existing companies. In such a case, how to alter or how to remove, that we will take. First of all, we will create a company. So so if you are in the select company page, so you can click create company and create the company. Or suppose you are working in the gateway of Tally. So now we are in gateway of Tally. Here itself also you want to create, you can create. Go to Alt K company menu. The first one is create. Here also you can create. And also one more thing is F12. So one more thing is here, when you create a company, here it will show the financial year, the current financial year it will show because it is already 1st April crossed. That is it will show beginning from 1st April. But beginning from 1st April 25, books beginning from also it will show the same date. I will tell you that. So we'll create a company X and sorry X and Co. I am creating a company X and Co. So X and Co. and address I am giving Hyderabad. We'll give the full address Hyderabad, and then we'll come down here. We'll give the state. So Telangana, for example, whatever the state may be, Telangana. So 5 lakhs 28. Now 5 lakhs 28 and telephone number. All the details will give. And here books beginning. I mean financial beginning from the 1st April of every year. So now it is 25, already 1st April crossed, up to 31st March 25. It will show 1st April 24, 24, 25. Now from 1st April 25, it will show 1st April 25 means the year is 1st April 25 to 31st March 26. It will show. And here books beginning from also by default, it will show the same date. Since it is a new company, if we newly started the previously we were using manual accounting or some other software, but now you started the tally and you are using the tally from a date, so you can, that is newly started. And also business itself is newly started, so from the starting date will be different, not 1st April. Then books beginning from is once the business is started or the tally is started, we will record. So there you can give, for example, 1st June we started the company, so we can give 1st June 25. So the financial year is the same, and books beginning from 1st June, like that you can give, or you can give such same thing, whole thing we can give from books beginning from, that will be casting. Okay. After this, now we have to give protection to the data, that is security we have to provide. The first one is tally vault password. We have to create the security can be created for the new company in this place. Security can be created in this place for the new company because there is no company. Still, it is under creation, not completed. So here we have to take the security tally vault password for that. And here you see, if you go and see all the other companies, see there are many companies are there. So go and see for any company. If you see, so if you go and see this one alter page, so here alter page, so here, so there is no option for that. Okay, like this it will happen, and we now we are creating now. So that option will not be available anywhere. So X and Co, X and Co, we are creating X and Co, X and Co, and here we are giving Hyderabad, Telangana, 5 lakhs, whatever it may be, 27. Okay, here all these details will be given, and books beginning from also same date. And now here you have to give that the security option. For that, go to F12. F12 is the configuration. So in this configuration, options will be related to the page. So wherever you are working in any page, the options will be related to that page only in configuration. And these configuration settings are called activate. If you activate in this page, so it will be activated in all the companies. So in the other companies, the option is not there. Once you activate this, this is configuration settings. They are applicable. Activation is applicable to all the companies. If you activate here, in all the companies, the same, all the companies, the control, the security control or security option will be visible. So for that, you go to F12. In this case, party details are okay. And here it is edit log means it is same tally frame. Edit log is for the is meant for auditors. And see, use tally vault password for to encrypt the company data. So to encrypt the company data, use tally vault password. You make it yes, that is activate this, accept. Now you see, so it is showing the option. So in the case of a new company, the option will show, it will ask you to set here, set tally vault password to encrypt the company data. So in the case of the new company, in the company creation page, it will ask you to set up. So here it will ask you to set up. You make it yes, then it will ask you the tally vault password. If you forget the tally vault password, the data will be inaccessible. So you cannot access it. No, you also cannot access. So if you forget your Tally Vault password, you will permanently lose access to your company data. So you must remember, you have to write down name of the number of the company, name of the company, and the password we give. So that we have to make a note of that. Otherwise, definitely, because there are many companies, if you give different passwords, we will forget the password. So for one company, we will give another password, it will not open. Okay. So here I'm giving you simply 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm giving, it will ask you confirmation second time. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. So here it is completed. So part is set up. Now, when the company is created, after creating the company, automatically it will go to the features. So there, whatever features we required, the features will be activated, enabled or disabled. That will be the features will be limited to this company only. So what you call F12 configuration will be applicable to all the companies. Okay, here we have to give. So here we are going to the features. So immediately after this, it will ask you the Tally Vault password. If you give that only, you will go to the features. So 1, 2, 3, 4. If you give that, suppose if you give some other number, 2 something I gave, it will not open. So get correct amount, correct password, 1, 2, 3, 4 if you give. So it is here. Now we are going. After that, it is going to this. This is a maintain accounts. Okay. Bill wise entry definitely required for whether services or goods. And then we will be dealing with goods only, that is inventory. So we'll maintain inventory, integrate accounts with inventory, and then come to this. Definitely for goods and services, there will be tax. Enable goods and services tax. So automatically Telangana we created, and then regular, generally regular or composition. Registered means regular or composition. We take regular. If you are registered in some other union territory, that is we will give that. That's it. No, and you have to give the exact registration number. So this is Telangana. So we will give Telangana number. We'll take some Telangana number. Okay. Where is that? Some TIN numbers are available here somewhere. GST number, TIN number. Somewhere the TIN numbers are available. TIN numbers. Okay, here. Is not showing. Okay. We will do that. Then here. So we'll give some number here. This is Telangana. So 36 AB ACB. Fourth letter will be the status. I will give F means form. So then yes. So 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers and 1 digit. Then number of registration. Number 1 Z6 for example. It is not correct. It is giving. It is wrong. Okay, no problem. And then monthly we will file that in. And here is the EV invoice not required. And e-way bill. So the central government prescribed if you transport goods for exceeding 50,000 rupees, you have to give. Previously, we are given written way bill. Now we have to give e-way bill, electronic way bill created in the way bill site. Okay. So here we have to give yes, and then 50,000 rupees is prescribed for any state, interstate or intrastate, local or. So, but interstate definitely 50,000 is required. It is fixed by the government. For state government, the central government gave the authority to the state governments to make the changes. Some governments they made it 1 lakh. Some governments they kept 1 lakh as it is 50,000. Some government states they increased to 1 lakh. Some governments for some goods e-way bill is required. For some goods e-way bill is required. Whatever they will make the changes given authority to the state governments in the case of local supplies. But interstate supplies, the limit is 50,000 rupees. If it is crosses, we have to give. Okay. Now I will here is this. I will give no. Okay. No, accept. So this is all. So after that, accept this also. Okay. We created this and now we did the work. So now everything is done. See here, now we created. I will close this. That is, I will shut this. Okay. I completed. I shut all the companies. Okay. I shut all the companies. Now see here. This is the company which we created. Now X and Co. This is the number. See, period is not available and only number is available. This name is showing as it is encrypted, means it is looking like stars. So nobody can know this company and nobody can access the data. So if you also want to access this, enter this and you have to give the tally vault password. What is the password you created? 1234 exact password you have to give. If you give only, then only it will happen. It will access. So like this, in the case of a new company, in the creation page, after the books beginning from there, you have to take that actually that will not be available. That will not be available. That option we have to take from F12. See, now it is the F12, the tally vault password setting is activated. So now in every company, it will be available now. It is applicable to all the companies. See, it is available. So here, and also if you go to some other company, go to this company. In this company also, see, go and see alter. So here, in every company, this feature will be activated. Once you activate in F12, it will be activated in all the companies. Okay. Now see here, Alt F3, Alt F3, I closed. Okay, this is the company. So if you want to open this, enter and you give 1234. Okay, like this, you have to create the tally vault password in the case of a new company. In the case of an existing company, how to create? In that case, see, in the case of an existing company, see, for example, I will tell you. In the case of an existing company, Alt F3. So, for example, this is Anand Traders. If you go to this, in this case, here, go to alter page. If you in this alter page, that is the creation page also. In this case, the security feature showing to set or alter tally vault path. Tally vault, press Alt plus K, that is company feature, and select the tally vault. So here you cannot create the tally vault password in the case of an existing company. New company only it will create, it will ask you set tally vault password, yes or no. You give yes and you can give. But in the existing company, you cannot give here. So you have to go to Alt K, see company features. Alt K, company menu. So from there, you click that, see last but one tally vault. So give the tally vault. So the name is given. Password means new password. In the case of old password, it will say old password. If they say password means new password, here you have to give. For this company, I will give TALLY. Tally I am giving. Enter again, confirm TALLY. Tally. So I have given the password. In this case, wherever you are doing in the Alt K, it will ask you. So if any report or voucher or masters are open now, they will not be saved. Do you want to create the set the password? Say here no report or voucher is open. So we can set the password, yes. And then it will show, it will ask you, do you want to create a copy of the company? So a copy of the company is creating means the data, everything will be created, but there will be no password. So what is the use? We are creating password for security. When a new company is created, I mean copy is created without password is of no use. So always for this copy, we say no. Okay, now you see company is open. So now it's a setup. It will ask you what is the number? The previous 1234. So it is not opening. For this we give TALLY tally. So it is opening like that. So for existing company, in the Alt K menu, company menu, in the tally option, we have to create the password, tally vault password. In the case of a new company, so now this new company is created. Now it is already created now. Now this is also an existing company. So once it is created, it is also existing company like others. Now all the companies here, you see, all the companies, see now two companies we set up the password. So all the companies here are the existing, all old only, existing companies only. So creation is only difference in creation only, either in the creation page, that is for the new company, as existing company in the Alt K company menu, that is for creation. And after that, even you want to alter or change the password, or you want to remove or delete or remove the password, everything you can do only in the Alt K company menu, the tally vault password, tally vault option. In that only we have to do everything, either change or remove. How to do it? You see here, in this case, if you open this, this is opening now. So in this case, you will take up this one. So first one you will take up. This is the new company created. Now it is old company. And any company now, you want to change the password. For that, we give 1234. For the existing another company, we give tally. Now for this, I want to change. So go to Alt K company menu, go to the tally vault feature, and here it will show company name. See, in the case of existing company creation, it is asking company name and password only. That is new passwords for setting up. Now it is already new password is set up. Now what we can do, we can alter only. So we cannot set up now. Already set up. That is why it is asking you to alter that. It is asking the old password. And if you alter means you change the password, give the new password. So it is giving company. And here, what is the worst password for this? This is X and Co. 1234 is the old password. Now give a new password. For this, we will do tally. For example, for this, we give tally. Again, TALLY. So for this, we change it to tally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to tally we changed. See, accept, accept. Okay, so it will show you this one. That reports will not be saved. Okay, yes, and copy. No. Okay. Okay, see, now password is changed. So it is asking the password. If it is not changed, so once if you log in, if you give that one, it will open. Okay. Now it is what is done. Well, actually 1234 is the password, but that is changed it to tally. So new password we had to give tally. So it is changed. So in this case, you will take up. In this case also, if you want to change, see tally vault. So this is the term. Old password is tally. Old password is tally. Suppose if you give a new password 1234. So 1234. 1234. Now this is changed. So it will then will be saved, will not be saved, and it make it no. Okay. Now it will ask you. Now it change it to 1234. Previously it was tally. Now change it to 1234. Like that. Change. So creation, old different method, new different method. But after that, alteration, all are existing companies only. Alt K company menu, go to tally vault feature, tally vault button, then you can change this. Okay. This. And many people say, so created, okay, we can create. And similarly, we can alter or change, we can do. But once created, the password that is tally vault, only password is created. Tally vault password cannot be deleted. That is, cannot be removed. Many people say, no, it can be removed. I told you, in tally, whatever you create, either company or ledger or any master, accounting master, group, voucher type, anything, ledger, stock item, unit, stock group, anything you created can be altered as well as can be removed. So here we altered, created, altered. How to remove that is very simple. They say cannot be removed, but is very simple than alter. Same alteration button we have to use, and one step less than the alter. One step less than the alter work. This is the relation work. For example, so this one we have taken. So here also everything can be done in those only. Alt K company menu, go to always. And here, so this is the company. And here, this is alteration. Old password and new password will give. This is alteration. But in the same thing, one step less. That is, old password. What is the worst for Excel Co? First we created 1234. Then we change it to tally, TALLY. Tally is the old password. Now, if you give the another new password twice, new password, the password will change. But here, what are we going to do? We want to remove that. Simply give the old password. Don't give any new password. Just enter. Don't give any new password. Just enter it. So making the password means new password. Password blank. So keeping it blank. Keeping it blank will remove the encryption from your company data. So it will remove the encryption means it will remove the tally vault password. Enter. Okay, accept, accept. So the same thing it will ask you, vouchers will not be saved, Copy you want? No. So here, so it is not asking the password. So now, for example, I am closing, what you say, I am closing this, you see here, and you can go to Alt F3, see all this. So here, X and Co, the or tally vault password is removed. That is why name is visible, period is visible, everything is visible. So if you click that, it will not ask you any password. Directly it will open. Directly it will open because the password is removed. It can be removed. So a step less than alteration, it will be removed. And in this case also, say here, if you want to change it, remove this. Also go to tally vault. What is the old password? From tally to 1234 we change. The latest password is the latest one. Old means latest one. 1234. And don't give any new password. So without giving the password, if you don't give the password, encryption will be deleted. Accept, accept. So here same thing, and copy no. So it will not ask anything. So even if you this one, Anand, see it is showing Anand Traders. It is showing the company name, everything. If you want, see, if you open that, it will open. So now anybody can, we have access the data. Like this, we can change, set the Tally Vault password in 2 ways. That is new company and old company. And next one, everything will be the same. That is changing the password, change or alter the password, and remove or delete the password. Everything is same in the Alt K feature. That is company menu. Go to Tally Vault and do the work. Either changing that or removing the same page. Either changing means give the old password, new password. Remove means give the old password, don't give any new password. So it will be deleted. This is about the Tally Vault password. And the second one is another method in this. In that case, the company will be visible, date will be visible, number, period, everything will be visible. But if you want enter that, we cannot enter unless there we will set up that username and password for that. Here only username. That is only tally vault password. But there you give username and password that is used to restrict or control the access by others. This is also the same. So control access by others. That is other user access control, controlling the access by other users. That's all. So user access control, we give username and password, but the company name, everything will be visible. If you enter that, you have to give it will ask you the username and password. If you give that, it will enter other way. So there also, you can create username, password. You can alter that. Both username, password, you can alter. Any one of them, either only username or only, this many people don't know. This alteration, that is alteration of the username password. Both username password can be altered. Any one of them, only username or only password, also can be changed or altered and removed. Remove is very simple. So create, remove. But in between that, alteration, many people don't know about this because they say, how can it be only? So if you want both, you can remove. So username and password you can remove. That remove you can do. If you want to change it, how to change both of the username and password or any one of them, how to change, it is many people don't know. That I will take up in the next video. So till then, all the best. Good night. Bye.